Mr. Anastasatos, how do you see the overall challenges and opportunities of Greece during, the current economical and geopolitical landscape?
Obviously, this is a very challenging time. Greece had entered the Ukraine crisis on a very positive outlook, fueled by several impacts, including a positive investment climate, sizable impact from the RRF, etc. However, it is a given that's going to be impacted by a supply shock that the Ukraine situation consists. So it is likely that for the current year there will be some deceleration in growth and some increase in inflation. However, to the extent that the country insists on a structural reform agenda, the long-term impact, the long-term potential of the country remains intact, and therefore the longer-term prospects are very favorable for a number of reasons. We're talking about a country with a very much reformed investment environment, with comfortable liquidity positions of both the private and the public sector, with a healthy banking system, and with an intention to continue on a path of fiscal prudence and structural reform. So, upon the normalization of the situation, I think that Greece has all the prospects of returning to dynamic, sustainable growth.
According to your opinion, which is the sectors that has the greatest interest for the investors?
Well, obviously, this is for the market to determine, and the improvement in investment environment provides more degrees of freedom to the investment community to choose from a number of activities. However, I would say that there are some traditional sectors in which the Greek economy has strength, including tourism, shipping, agriculture, etc., which have very dynamic prospects, but also new sectors, including IT, logistics, energy, and especially renewable energy sources that are now flourishing, and construction and manufacturing, certain manufacturing subsectors, including pharmaceuticals, metals, etc. But I have to stress that the list is not exhaustive, so it is for the market to determine what sectors offer the best prospects, and I think there are quite a few.
And how optimistic are you for the general interest of investors?
As I said, I think that the pillars of competitiveness and productivity will remain intact upon the normalization of the situation. So, in the short term, there is going to be some turbulence, as is the case for the entire European continent. But in the longer term, I think that Greece will be a very attractive destination for investors, and this has been seen already into FDI flooding in the country, and the prospects for dynamic growth will be reinstated.